Boy, these babies is having a good time out here. Daddy's going to teach him how to find worms, too. What are you doing, Daddy? There's some worms in there.
Yeah.
No worms. Oh, they're finding something over there.
Feet that I threw out the other day.
Yeah.
They got a whole thing right there that you found this here. Surprise for them.
You're cleaning up your mess, huh? They're having a good time out here. This is the first time we really let them out, though, ain't it?
Yep. In mass. Other than one of the creatures.
So this is our Black Copper Marans that we bought. They're 4.5 weeks old now. I'm not really sure how many roosters we got. I'm thinking 3. We'll find out for sure. In probably about, let's say 3 more weeks.
Come on.
Look at that.
Look at that.
What you got there? Is there a worm in there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on.
Look, you're stepping on it. Look down, see if you find that worm.
Right here. Come on. It's there.
Ooh, I found it. Ooh, goodness gracious. Did he eat it?
Yeah.
Everybody else gonna be looking for worms now. Hey, where's it at? Ty, you're gonna have to go find some more worms. Spoil these little babies. Well, we've really been enjoying sitting out here, messing around with them and stuff, letting them run out for a while. And I'm gonna tell you, I am hoping and praying that we've got more chicks than we got roosters, but it don't matter. They'll have a good home no matter what they are. You'll have a good one.